In this video, I'm going to help you to overcome the dread of getting into cold water. That's whether in the swimming pool or the sea.
I'm absolutely thrilled.
I ordered these strategies from the easiest to the hardest and left my secret weapon to never being cold in the water till last. So make sure you stick around till the end. Some of these tips will be pretty much common sense, and some of them will require you to step outside of your comfort zone.
What?
My name is Alan Cie. I learned to swim at the age of 32 and it changed my life. Since then, I'm spreading the word about swimming wherever I can. If you're new here, I'm covering topics related to swimming, water safety, and other water activities. If you're not new, welcome back and let's dive right into the video. You should know that when I was a kid, I was always shaking from cold before, during, and after exposure to the water. Even on holidays in a hot climate, my body couldn't help and shiver until my mother covered me with a towel. But at the age of 37 and few years of experience with cold water and the unforgiving Scottish climate, I developed my own strategies of dealing with the cold. The water temperature in hotel, spa or pool is usually much higher, as their customers are usually older and much more demanding than the customers you find in the public swimming pool. It might cost you a little bit extra in membership fees, but if you want to be a little bit more comfortable, this could be a viable option for you. I've noticed that even in public swimming pools, the water tends to be slightly warmer when there are children's swimming classes on. So take the opportunity and check out when the next kids' lessons are scheduled and see for yourself. One of the best options that works both for outdoor and indoor swimming. A good wetsuit will set you off between 100 to 200 pounds, but it will get you through the most uncomfortable of cold times. One of my favorite tricks is to go for 10 minutes to a sauna or a steam room before you go to swim. Once my body is hot enough that I have to exit, it is pretty much begging me to jump into the water and cool off.
Why don't you take a long swim and cool off?
I can either take a cool shower right after, or I can go straight to the pool and enjoy the temperature drop instead of dreading it. Of course, you don't always have access to sauna, or you find yourself in the open water environment. What do you do then? You can shorten the transition in temperature by jumping straight into the water rather than dipping your toes in hesitation. Just remember to check the depth of the water to save yourself from injury. Don't ever jump into the water that you don't know the depth of. Some pools have cold water only showers. Once you learn to take the cold shower and you get cold before you enter the pool, you will stop associating swimming with being cold. This will subconsciously make the activity more enjoyable in the future. If you know about Wim Hof, you will know that exposing your body to ice baths, getting accustomed to being cold, learning to control your breathing, and staying calm in the cold water will make you feel like a superhero and will massively improve your mental and physical well-being. As a result, it will also eliminate your dread of jumping into cold water anytime you go to practice swimming too. Lastly, onto my secret of beating the dread of jumping into cold water. You have to fully commit.
Of course you are.
Commit that being cold will never stop you from doing what's important. Treat being cold like a test of your character strength. And since I know that you are a person not afraid of facing their biggest fear, the fear of water, I know that's such a small issue like water being cold will never stop you again. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.
See ya.